Alright, so remember how I said in the last video that I was gonna do a cool video for my birthday? Well, I'm still gonna do that this week, but I want to open up some shit before then because fuck it, I have some extra stuff. And I also want to tell you guys what I was going to be opening for my birthday video. These fucking bad boys. The Blastoise EX Red and Blue collection with some Generations packs in there. That's why I got it, because I want to open those, because those have a lot of cool things in them. And I got this yesterday Gengar EX box. Opening these this upcoming week, probably Thursday, probably after my birthday. My birthday's on Wednesday. Today is Sunday. But today, I'm going to open up these. Just got four packs there. Two evolutions. Oh, they're all upside down for the most part. Two evolutions and two of the new team up ones. They got a lot of cool cards in here that I'm trying to get. So I'm gonna start with evolutions. And yeah, let's see what's up. Hopefully we get some cool shit. Here is a fucking code thing. Ooh. Focus. Okay. 3-card trick. I'm probably going to be doing all my videos out of here from now on. I think the sound is better. I don't fucking know. I think I'm just talking to talk. Okay, here we go. Focus, bitch! Okay, Nidorino. Cool. Super Potion. Cool. Brock's Grit. Yo, this shit's pissing me off, though. Cool. Vulpix. Cool. Electabuzz. Cool. Magikarp. Nice. Ghastly. Nice. Sandshrew. Showing a little reverse hollow there. A reverse hollow Vulpix and a fucking Charizard, dude. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. I can't really say much more than this. A fucking Charizard. Dude. Charizard. This was like every kid's dream to pull this out of a pack back in the day when this originally came out. Are you fucking kidding me? Dude? Man? What? Oh, God. This is crazy. Oh my god, it looks so great. Better than I remember. I still have my original one too. Like from the original base set. It's kind of fucked up now, but wow, dude. Look at that. Look at that shit. That's amazing. I'm all blurry and shit. I'm recording on my phone because my other camera sucks. This camera sucks. Every camera sucks. I ain't buying one, so whatever. At least not for a while. Because I don't really care that much. It's good enough. You know what I'm saying? Because I got a fucking Charizard. You know what I mean? Got that Charizard there? Wow. Focus, you piece of shit. Focus, you piece of shit. It's fucking Charizard. Wow. Let me move on. I don't give a fuck. Camera's fucked up. Video probably sucks ass. But I showed you guys what I was going to open for the birthday video. Opened the first pack and got a fucking Charizard, which I am resting on this pillow because I forgot sleeves once again. But, holy shit. I might be getting like a little bit of adrenaline from it. Like, opening a fucking Charizard? Really? Really, dude? Really? Here's a code from the team up. It's blurry still. This camera sucks cock. Whatever, dude. You can't get it. I don't give a fuck. How many? What's the card trick for this? 4? Oh, yeah, because the energy is there. 4 for the team up pack. And here we go. Lightning Energy. Grass Memory. Yes. Kakuna. Rapidash. Pidgey. Focus, you cock. Emolga? 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 There you go. Magikarp. Execute. I always have a hard time with this guy. Helioptile, I think. Lavender Town. Dun, dun, dun. Omastar, whatever the fuck. Hollow Rare. What? I didn't know this motherfucker was rare. That looks pretty sweet. If I do say so myself. Should I put him next to Charizard? No. Charizard deserves his own spot there. Under any other circumstances, I would probably delete this video since the fucking quality is shit. But I opened a Charizard, so I need to keep that documented. You know what I'm saying? Because that's fucking crazy. Code. Piece of shit. Blurry code for you there. I don't care. Card trick. And boom. Okay, let's see here. Maintenance. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking punch something. Secret Rare Execute. Woo! That's nice. Wow. The Japanese art. I fuck with that a lot. I really like that. He can go with Charizard because he's a secret rare. Misty's Determination. Tangela. Poliwag. Seal. Magikarp. Lightning Energy. Reverse Haunter. And woo! Pidgeot EX, baby. Holy shit. Some good pulls from the evolutions today, if I may say so myself. That's a nice looking card. You like that? I like it. Happy St. Patrick's Day to anyone celebrating today. Okay, so he's going with Charizard and Executor. Did I say that before? I think I might have said Execute. Like a dumbass. Last pack. Team up. I want to get the fucking Gengar Mimikyu. Fucking love Gengar. And that's like the coolest tag team in the whole thing. Can't open this pack for shit. Hopefully that means there's something good in it. Oh, you little butt boy. Little butt boy. Get over here. Alrighty. Code. Focus for once. Piece of shit. I don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we go. Fire Energy. Water Memory. Omanite, whatever. Kangaskhan. Larvitar. Psyduck. Vullaby. Is that what it says? Cool. Weedle. Helioptile, I think. A reverse hollow Vullaby. You got 2 in 1. And the hell? Woo! What are the pulls today, bro? Ampharos? I still can't say this guy's fucking name, but I know who he is. GX. Ampharos. Yeah, I would say Ampharos. I don't know. I probably sound like a fucking idiot guy. But yes, that is a nice pull. Look at this thing. Woo! Wow. I like these colors. Look at it one more time. Put him on the pillow here as well. But let's just go back a sec to this. Let's just go back to this. Look at this. A fucking Charizard, dude. Alright? My next video, hopefully, will not be shit. I'll get it sorted. Maybe I'll go back to my other fucking camera since that stays in focus at least, right? But this is getting uploaded anyway, so go ahead and call me a fucking moron. I don't care. I need to showcase this. This Charizard. Okay? Have a good day. Charizard says have a good day as well. Love y'all. Be safe. Peace.